Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to write the equation of a line when we are given the slope and exactly 1 point on that line. We will be using the point-slope form directly to solve this. To write a linear equation, you generally need two specific pieces of information. First, you need the slope, which we represent with the variable m. Second, you need a coordinate pair for 1 point on the line, which we call x1 and y1. If you have these two things, you are ready to go. Here is the formula we will use. It is called the point-slope form. It reads, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. This formula is designed specifically for our situation because it has places for us to plug in our slope m and our point coordinates x1 and y1 directly. Let's look at a concrete example. Suppose we are given a line with a slope of 2, and we know it passes through the point 3, 5. Our goal is to write the equation for this line. We have everything we need. M is 2, x1 is 3, and y1 is 5. The first step is simple substitution. We take our formula and replace the variables with our numbers. We replace y1 with 5, m with 2, and x1 with 3. The equation becomes y minus 5 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 3. Now we need to simplify. The second step is to distribute the slope on the right side of the equation. We multiply 2 by x to get 2x, and 2 by negative 3 to get negative 6. The equation now reads, y minus 5 equals 2x minus 6. The final step is to isolate y to get our answer in slope-intercept form. To do this, we add 5 to both sides of the equation. Negative 6 plus 5 gives us negative 1. So, our final equation is y equals 2x minus 1. Let's verify this visually. If we graph our new equation, y equals 2x minus 1, we can see that the y-intercept is indeed negative 1. More importantly, notice that the line passes perfectly through our original point, 3, 5. This confirms our equation is correct. To recap, writing an equation from a slope and a point takes just 3 steps. First, substitute your slope and point into the point-slope formula. Second, distribute the slope. And third, solve for y. Follow these steps, and you will get the correct linear equation every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.